Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ. I am back in the building with another freaking video. Today we do have Wequeen in the house. I do have their pre-made Scalp Bob Wig, and I do have her in the inches of 12. You guys gonna have to excuse me, please forgive me, because my memory card wanted to act up and corrupt, period. It corrupted and it deleted my entire unboxing and all that good jazz, but you guys bear with me. I do include it a little bit later on in the video, the construction, so you guys can see the fake scalp and all that good jazz. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to slay all day. Okay, it's the end of the summer, and you want to stunt because it's also back to school time, and you just want to be looking your best. You want people to remember you as the girl that had the bomb hairstyle, or the girl that came back to school stunning. If you want to be a little extra, that's you. Stay tuned, watch on. Okay, so the first step that I'm gonna do is go ahead and put a relaxer in her. You don't have to do this. You actually can take a flat iron and just straighten her. But for me, when I like a certain look, like I love when you put relaxers in just hair in general, but I love when you put them in wigs like these because it definitely changes the texture. One, it gives it a more like a more thicker, coarser type look. If you guys don't know what a relaxer looks like when you put it in your hair, just Google them or YouTube them, I'm sorry, and you guys would see what I'm talking about. But that's just me being extra. But I know I'm not the only one who put relaxers in my straight hair. But anyway, I did just purchase a random one from Sally's Beauties, and I did get it in the regular. You don't need coarse because the hair is already straight. It's the same way you would bleach your hair. I don't understand some people, I don't know their logic, but it's just the same way as like you're applying bleach. Okay, it would be the same way as you processing it. Bleach just strips the hair, the color from your hair, and when you relax your hair, it makes it straighter. So this is what we're doing here. When I also relax my hair, it also gives me that laid look without me having to use a hot comb and hot hair gel and just all them sprays and stuff just to get that laid look. This is going to save you so much time, sis, because the hair is going to be laid by itself. So be sure to go back over it and comb through the hair and make sure the edges are freaking laid. Okay, and you do not need to leave this on any longer than 5 to 10 minutes because, like I said, the hair is straight already and it will be over processed. Okay, so just be mindful of that. So this is the hair after I washed it, and this is wet. But right now, after I did shampoo it, conditioned it, and put in the leave-in condition, I'm just going in with the rat-tailed comb. Is a rat-toothed, tailed, whatever the jazz is. I'm just going in and combing it because I am going to let it air dry overnight. I actually didn't come back to 2 days later to pick up this video. I've been so busy. And let me tell you, sis, baby girl was still freaking laid. And I'm going to show you guys that in a minute. I really, really love when I relax my units because it saves me so much time. On top of that, this unit is already a time saver in itself. Okay. And as you guys saw, the unit was laid after 2 days. So this is the fake scalp section of the unit, as you guys are seeing here. With this, you don't need to wear a wig cap, you don't need any cornrows, you don't need none of that because it's already created for you. The scalp is within the wig. This is the construction of it. It comes with the combs, of course. It also comes with the additional elastic band. This is what makes it This is what makes it glueless. Okay, you don't need to add glue gel or anything to secure the unit. Once you attach the elastic band, sis, you're good to go and you can walk out the door. But if you want extra security, you can add just hairspray. I feel like hairspray is an easy alternative, but I'm not using any type of gel or anything. This unit definitely can be glueless. Just add the elastic band and you're done. It's really quick and simple. But as you guys can see how this unit melted right into my forehead. Look at that. It is so freaking laid. This is why I love this method because it's laid without me using any product on the edges besides what came inside the relaxer box. One thing I noticed about this company as well is that the unit came pre-plucked. Okay, don't need to do any bleaching and all of that jazz taking up all this time. They also gave you a guideline to cut out the unit, to cut the lace off, and I found that so different. It's definitely different. Not that everybody's head shape is the same, but they were also looking out for beginners. Sometimes beginners go a little heavy-handed and they go all in and cut into the unit because they don't know where to stop at. But this company made sure to keep the people who are newbies at applying their wigs in mind. And I really feel like that was a good freaking idea because sis, sometimes I'd be all over the place. I would advise you to use smaller scissors. Y'all, I've been careless the past couple of days. I lost my shears. I lost, so many scissors. So I had these big kitchen scissors, which I wouldn't recommend. So don't mind that part. So I am going to go ahead and put in my hairspray at this time. Like I said, you don't have to do that because this is a glueless wig. You can just add the elastic band, but just for a little bit more of security, I'm going in with my hairspray. And this just, to me, it just helps it stay on a little bit longer. I don't know. I just like the look of how it looks once it's melted, if that makes sense. Like I said, it's not necessary, but we just doing it here today. We got to be a little extra. It's the end of the summer, back to school. So I'm going to go ahead and finish, securing the unit. And I will be back. Just a quick rundown over the hair. It took the relaxer very, very well. I had minor shedding. I didn't have any type of tangling at all. Like I said, the pros and cons. I love that, they kept beginners in mind when creating this unit. Y'all, I still don't understand why I had this wig cap on. I've been having this wig cap on for like 2-3 videos now. Not the same one, of course, but I keep putting it on when you don't really need it. So if you guys see the line of demarcation, that is the wig cap that I shouldn't be wearing in the first place, not the wig itself. This wig is very, what is it called? Less time consuming. Like I said, when you wear a glueless, you don't even have to do all this. Just skip this part and just put it on. One thing I would say, though, is that being that the elastic band is sewed onto the side, it's kind of showing up in the what is it called, the hairline area towards your ear section. So you probably won't be able to wear it back because I can see the the two, I guess, the elastic band security thing. I don't know what I'm talking about, but you couldn't wear it back because you would see it. So this unit would have to be worn as a bob because that's kind of how they created it. So you guys get my drift, okay? Like overall, didn't have any problems with this unit. Love how it blended, okay? It just blended so seamlessly with my skin tone. And y'all, this is just bomb.com. So really excited and just thankful, okay? Just thankful for this unit because it's beautiful. That is pretty much it to the video because next I'm just gonna go in and straighten her out and we're gonna be all set and it's gonna be all done. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know you guys' thoughts on this unit. Let me know if you also put a relaxer in your straight hair wigs to get that, coursed. You guys know. You guys know. Just let me know in the comment section below what you think. Don't forget to check the description section below for all information. Sometimes I don't be as accurate, so check there. All information is always accurate. So, like I said before, hope you guys enjoy. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.